campaign out. So more cheater. I see there's Gucci. You're obligated Gucci to know about whether white, colored, Indian, Namibian, Congian, American, Wasa. Yeah, but just good mate, there's that barrier, that line that was created in the racism days, apartheid days. Good day, you know. But I imagine putting up with a white chick in a crib. Oh, all them bitches go want you, dog.
You get taxi, dog.
Not easy.
Yeah. And the West, Pela when you forget taxi, obviously as a gent, now you'd be feeling at asking shy Uber. With most of the good chicks, it's by some shy Uber. I feel special, shy, so let's take
No, I mean that you're going to get stupid, dog.
yeah, deliver 20 rand, check it out. It's all on night here, man. So, yeah. Injani. Yeah, but so Mohammed Ocheromlu, unogusithola maybe like a Springs Mall, wherever mall you want yourself at. Let's say for instance, especially so it's yeah. Ufaka nomntana lo taxi mlumu. Faka uTebi response sakhe. Namama nje noma makuzokuxutha.
Ubaba bakhe fani racist.
Yeah, baba ki racist to petty land.
Petty land.
Leya se Heidelberg Rathanda way. That's the father. Yeah. And so imagine pulling up with a chick like I see the crib. Nishuna say even your sister so cardio should play this. So my of racism. We basically keeping up.
One thing I'll tell you,
yeah.
These white people,
yeah.
They wish they could ban this number for days.
Yeah.
She's good man, she.
Even them white niggas, dog.
The father dog.
Them Khalelu Nandipa, Nandipa Pesta. That's when you get this boy.
Even this white man are looking at this. And the man just some white niggas, they came out of the closet. Could tell you.
Yeah. I think because Nalapo, if you don't, you could say it comes with power, though. Imagine
the power comes with responsibility.
I never thought of that. Yeah.
Priority.
Well, because now, if when I was so trying to imagine the freedom we're gonna have, though. As when individually, you know, it's okay when shit like goes south, or the weekend in Google, let's come zigzag, Bahama. Them white folks back reason. You find yourself, me, we take them. Yeah, well, imagine the different type of texture also experience. Not in terms of the nyash or the but like the scenario, the imagination goes wild because ushala elokishini uyikhetha nabelungu uyaphinda uyelokishini uyikhetha nabantu bakho yabo
amara mfana this ntwana man, you know that ntwana there's a certain ntwana there it's all which is different dog. And the man niggas are laughing because I'm like, you don't grow up with white niggas. You can't judge a nigga, dog. Mara ask for me, we have to come to a decision. Like, we will never be one, dog.
Yeah.
Never.
Yeah, there'll be certain white people fucking with black people, but I will never be. The white lover was for stand.
Yeah.
I mean, from my experience, dog, there were previous companies that I've worked for, dog. I'll tell you, dog, these people hate us. Certain white people, they don't fuck with us. They're like us food. And for us to be working in their companies, for them it's like giving us heaven.
And this goes for the other way around. These black niggas who don't like white people.
Yeah.
So us discriminating, we just open.
Disclaimer.
Yeah. Well, so it goes.
We hate one another.
Yeah, we hate one another. But in truth, the generation that's still around who was 70 going downwards, we are the change, dog. And so, you have cars. You won't tell your son, die when I saw the board. Now keys and keys. And so, now keys and keys. And so, actually, acknowledge you die to yabo mina ngibona kanjalo dog, because I've been friends with white friends. Principal yami now we again, she was white. Yabo
Friends with white friends.
White
she was white, and they never came a day fair. She was that principal yazi ayilo yanyenyisa lo futhi ngeke ama-detention, but mumbheka ukubhekana nalendlela lekumele kubheke ngayo, but now bobona le ndlela leyangibheke ngayo akusile ndlela lengiyifunayo. It's more mind wise now rather than
So us
physical.
we're messing with white women. It's going to be like difficult. Dog.
And when I imagine putting
But I
up with a
never
white
saw-
chick in a white part, you them niggas, ooh.
Yo, them niggas, yo.
Yo, because I won't lie, black people have style.
Who's that crackhead?
Worse than rednecks.
From the
Start
walk to
cracking.
the talking, dog. You know.
Straight.
Nah, I can't-
So-
that's it, man.
Uzomyenza umfazi wakho umphinde umbisele kibo bazobona ukuthi hayi ethemba kanti akusi downgrade ka evolve ngakuyenzakala levels yabo. So it goes maybe either way yabo. Kuya ngeperspective khona manje into engenayo vele, they don't fuck with white people at all. Makakhuluma vele hello okay simple yabo ukuthi
But it is what it is.
it is what it is.
It is what it is, dog.
It is what it is.
Trejo Tebugo from Turfloop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung